we are going to felicitate one of the great scholar and the teacher of Badarpur, Principal of Nabi Chandra College, Sir Dr. Murtuza Hussain. I would request Sir to kindly come on the stage and he will be felicitated by Nuruzzaman Shahid Sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I know all of us are eager to hear you, sir. Sir, I would request you to speak a few words for us.
Respected gatherings, management of the school, parents, and beautiful and bright angels of Progressive School. I am highly impressed with the anchoring of Umama, what is it? Mohsina. And I just came to know she is the daughter of Shahjahan and Nateen of our Western South. And we had, in fact, seen the performance of the students of the school. So beautiful presentation, their articulation in Bengali recitation, English speech, Urdu speech, Hindi speech, and more wonderfully, Arabic speech like an Arabian. It speaks a lot about the schools. I should say, my dear children, you are lucky to have under the umbrella of Shahjahan and his team. We are here in the world for a very limited span of life. And what is the difference between all other animals and human beings? Taking birth, growing up, producing children, and dying. And heaping up gold, property, money. That makes often the difference between other animal and human being. That human being, what they do. I'm speaking about the practical life. Other things are equally. What monkeys are doing, what all other animals are doing, taking birth, growing, producing children, becoming old and dying. And in this mundane world, we human beings try to make the big difference by heaping up some property to spoil our offsprings, to spoil our children. But this is not the thing which makes us Ashraful Makhluqat. If you go to Quran, we see, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Allazi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala. The Creator Allah Ta'ala has given us life and death. And why He has given us this span between life and death? Only to examine us. Whom of us can make ahsanu amala? The best things in life. So, my dear children, your life has been started with a very beautiful and meaningful background. And you have to remember your examination that our Creator wants, that our Creator wills us, and that will lead your actual happiness in life, herein and hereafter, has been started. So you are now in the field of examination. You are now in examination hall. Your examination of this span between life and death has already been started. Nobody will count you how much rich you are. Nobody will count you how beautifully you can present yourself. Allah Ta'ala and the people in the world will count how you are leading your life. For every thought and action, we are answerable and responsible to our Allah. With this firm faith, we should start our examination in the hall of this little span of life to do something for the betterment of the humanity. Remember, religion is to serve the humanity, not to serve the community. A Muslim no more remains a Muslim if it discriminates any Hindu or any human being belonging to any other religion. He no more remains a Muslim. It is a clear instruction given in the Quran. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةٌ لِلْعَالَمِينَ وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةٌ لِلْعَالَمِينَ. Allah has addressed. It is direct declaration given by Allah Ta'ala in Al-Quran about His Prophet. That I have sent you not for any community, not for any group, but for Rahmatul lil Alameen. Entire universe, the peace for the entire universe. And this Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, in his last peace in Arafat, in his last Hajj, he has clearly given the direction to all the Muslims. Then your duty is now, whatever I have done, what was my duty is your now duty to establish peace in the world. Now, my dear children, I am citing two more ayah from Al-Quran. It is very easy to become a successful man, a successful human being in the true sense of term. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور. I repeat, Allahu waliyyul lazina amanu yukhrijuhum minaz zulumati ilan nur. Those who are faithful in true sense of the term, those who do something for the betterment of the humanity, to please the Creator, not to show that I am doing something among the people, with a firm faith that I am doing something to please my Almighty who has created me for doing something for the humanity and for the society. Then he declares, I'll be your friend. Waliyul lazina amanu yukhrijuhum minaz zulumati ilan nur. এবং I will guide you minaz zulumati, from darkness ilan nur, towards light. So it has become the responsibility of Allah Tabarak Ta'ala to guide you towards the right path once you become His perfect believer in the true sense of term, that you aims to do something for the peace of the entire universe, for the betterment of the humanity, to lead people to right path. In the next line, what do we find? It is a clear warning from Allah Tabarak Ta'ala. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَوْلِيَاؤُهُمُ الطَّاغُوتُ يُخْرِجُهُم مِّنَ النُّورِ. Earlier we have find مِنَ الظُّلُمَاتِ إِلَى النُّورِ. Now the opposite, مِنَ النُّورِ إِلَى الظُّلُمَاتِ. And if you engage yourself to show to boast you, not to please the Creator, in real sense, not to establish peace in the universe, not to do something better, something good for humanity, only to show that you are something doing, and you love to heap property, you love to become mundane, materialistic, artificial, then remember, I will lead you from opposite, as I told you, from light to darkness. And how Allah lead us from light to darkness, and how Allah lead us from darkness to light. একটা সেন্টেন্স বাংলায় রিপিট করছি, হয়তো কোনো গার্জেন এখানে থাকবেন, ইংরেজিতে অসুবিধা হবে। আল্লাহ আমাদেরকে লিড এইভাবেই করবেন, ভালো কাজে আমার ভালো লাগবে। যখন ভালো কাজ করতে আমার ভালো লাগবে, অন্তরে আনন্দ আসবে, বুঝে নেবেন যে আমার আল্লাহ আমার উপরে খুশি হয়ে লিডিং মি ফ্রম ডার্কনেস টু লাইট। এবং যখন অন্য মানুষের ক্ষতি করা, অন্য মানুষের বদনাম করা, এবং টাকা কড়ি জমিয়ে কিভাবে ধনী হওয়া যায়, এই দিকে মানুষের লোক যখন আসবে মান্ডেইন ওয়ার্ল্ডের প্রতি, তখন দেখা যাবে আমার আনন্দ সুখ ভালো কাজে আসবে না, শুধু আসবে পার্থিব বস্তুগুলো এবং মানুষের অনিষ্ট করার দিকে লুকিয়ে লুকিয়ে আমার মন যাবে মানুষের ক্ষতি করার জন্য, অন্য ধর্মের মানুষকে ঘৃণা করার জন্য। এবং এই মানুষ বা এই জাতিকে আল্লাহ পাক তখন তার আনন্দটা, তার প্লেজারটা, তার লাইকিংসটা লাগিয়ে দিবেন খারাপের প্রতি, এবং সে বুঝতে পারবে না। তার ফেসবুকে লিখলেও দেখবে পরনিন্দা করছে। সে যে কাজ করবে মানুষকে দেখানোর জন্য করবে, আর স্রষ্টাকে খুশি করার জন্য পাহাড়ের জঙ্গলের গুহায় ঢুকে যদি কেউ মানুষের ভালোর জন্য কিছু করে, ডুল পিটানোর প্রয়োজন হবে না। এই দায়িত্বটুকু স্রষ্টাই নিয়েছেন। দূর দূরান্তে মানুষের অন্তরে স্রষ্টা তার
ফরিস্তার মাধ্যমে পৌঁছে দেবেন, yes, there is a man who is thinking and doing something for the upliftment of the humanity, and respect for him will automatically come. No announcement, no miking, and no show off is required. My dear children, I am really impressed to see your performance, see the beautiful campus. From the day one of the inception of this progressive school, I have been invited uncountable times. I am sorry to say I could not attend program due to my busy schedule. This morning I decided, and I say, then I must attend progressive schools program today. So I cancelled one of my pre-scheduled programs, and now I feel that was a right decision on my part, because I am very much happy and pleased. Thank you all. May Allah bless all of you, and may Allah lead all my dear angel-like children to give us a better society which we could not give you. Thank you all.